Hi guys, you're welcome back to Explore Insights. This is the ninth video on image processing using OpenCV Python. I'll take you through the step-by-step procedure on how to convert RGB images to Grayscale images and also save them. Without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to mark that down. Okay, so we'll go through 3 steps. So the first is to import libraries. So I'm going to import CV2, and next I'll import OS, and lastly I'm going to import globe. So the next step is to specify the image path and the destination path. So for the image part, I'm going to call it im part. So I'm going to specify the directory for these images. So I'm going to use the van. I'll copy that and paste. Okay, so the next is the destination part, which is being assigned to a variable dest part. This will help us to save the grayscale images. The image part is the location of the RGB images. Now, the destination part, once we are done with the conversion, we are going to save the grayscale images here in this part. So let's open a new one to locate. So we're going to use destination. So I'm going to paste it here. The next line of code is using a for loop to iterate through all the files in a directory specified by the variable im part. So first is to set a counter I as 1. Then we go in with our for loop. So we have for im in globe dot globe. So normally the globe function returns a list of 5 parts that match a pattern. In this case, the pattern we have is the im path. So I'm going to write that, which is the im path, okay, which we concatenate. Okay, so we have asterisk, there's asterisk, okay. Im path, which means all files with any extension in this directory specified in this im path. And then we'll go on with our sub loop try. So we'll go ahead to read the image by assigning that to a variable image. Then we use the function cv2.imRead. So we're going to read from this, okay. And the next thing converts the image from RGB to grayscale. So we're going to use cv2.cvt capital letter C color, okay. Then image cv2 dot color underscore bgr to gray. So remember to put that in capital form. And next is to change the current working directory to the destination path. So we are going to do that by saying os.change directory. So we are changing to the destination path. So I'll create a file name for the grayscale image by concatenating the string grayvan with the value of the variable I and the .png extension, which is another way of receiving it for the image format. So the next thing is to save the grayscale image to the specified file name using the imWrite function. So we'll go ahead to say cv2.imWrite file name, this file name, grayscale. And next is to increment the variable I by 1. So in case of exception, the except block catches it and will print image not saved. So let's run through. So remember, this will be on comments. So let's see if the images were saved. Okay, so you can see we'll be able to save our image. Remember previously, we had the image in RGB Images, and in our task today, so we want to convert to Grayscale Images, so we'll be able to do that. Okay, so you can do as much as you want for your multiple images. You can convert all your multiple images through this method. So having stayed up to this point, I really want to appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Please, if you are joining us for the first time, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll be leaving the GitHub code in the description below. So thank you. I'm signing off now. Bye.